So you're looking for the best business bank account for your small business. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 3 business bank accounts that I think is the best business bank accounts to have. And by the end of this video, you guys will know what business bank account is the right one for you. The first business checking account that we're going to be looking at is the American Express business checking account. If you guys don't know, American Express has the best customer service in the industry, and I had nothing but the best experience working with them. And here are some of the benefits when you open a business checking account with American Express. First, there are no monthly maintenance fees and no minimum balance requirements, which is great because banks usually have a monthly maintenance fee or they require a minimum balance. Next, you will earn 1.3% interest on your checking account balance up to $500,000, which is nothing, but it's way better than the industry standard. Next, when you open a checking account with American Express, there is a welcome bonus where you can earn 30,000 American Express points, which can be worth anywhere from $150 to $360, depending on what you use it for. And here's a conversion chart showing how much they're worth depending on what you use it for. Now, when you open an American Express business checking account, you will receive a American Express debit card where you can earn 1 point for every $2 spend, which is rare because almost all debit cards earn no reward. And if you need to withdraw cash, you can go to any MoneyPass ATM, and when you withdraw, they'll charge you no fee. Now let's get into the cons of having an American Express business checking account. The first con is there's no physical branches. So if you're a person that likes going to a physical bank branch and getting that full experience with a bank representative, you won't be able to do that since American Express is an online bank. The second con is you can't make any cash deposits. Since American Express is an online bank and they have no physical bank branches, American Express is not accepting any cash deposits when you have a business checking account with them. And my third con is you can't do a mobile check deposit of more than $50,000. Now, for most people, this won't be an issue because it's quite rare to get a check for more than $50,000, but I actually ran into this issue myself with my house flipping business when I got a check for $130,000. I wasn't able to deposit the check into my business bank account because the limit for a mobile check deposit was limited up to $50,000. So who is this American Express business checking account for? I would say this business checking account would be great for anybody that has an online business where they receive all their payments electronically. Really, these days, you don't really need a physical bank branch unless you're dealing with large amounts of money. Now, the second business bank account we're going to be going over is the Chase business checking account. So the first benefit I want to talk about is their physical branches. If you guys don't know, Chase is building bank branches everywhere, and they're actually popping up in my local area now. And that's why I actually decided to switch my business bank account from American Express to Chase for my house flipping business, because when I had my check for $130,000, I was able to walk into a physical bank branch and deposit the check. The next benefit I want to talk about is the Chase Quick Accept feature. I really like this feature a lot because this actually lets you use your phone as a mobile card payment system. So if you are a barber or a hairstylist and you need to collect a payment, your customer can literally swipe their debit card or credit card through your phone and the money will deposit right into your business checking account. And Chase is offering a $300 welcome bonus if you complete these 3 steps. Step 1, you need to deposit $2,000 within your first 30 days of opening the account. Step 2, you need to maintain that balance for 60 days. And step 3, you gotta make 5 transactions with your Chase business debit card within your first 90 days of opening your business checking account. Now let's get into the cons of having a business checking account with Chase. And to be honest with you guys, Chase doesn't have that many cons. They really only have one con, and that is their monthly maintenance fee of $15 a month. Now, there is a few ways of getting this monthly maintenance fee waived. One, if you've been in the military in the past or present, this fee will be waived for you. Or you can maintain a balance of $2,000 in your business checking account, and Chase will waive the fee for you. So who is this Chase business checking account for? I would say this business checking account is for anyone who needs a physical bank branch and they like having that experience with a bank representative. This is also good for anybody that has a cash business and you need to deposit large amounts of cash or need to deposit cash repeatedly. Having a physical bank branch is necessary to do that. And also, if you get large amounts of checks, you know, any checks over $50,000 at a time, having a physical bank branch is highly necessary so you can deposit that check and have access to your money. The third business checking account we're going to be going over is the Bluevine business checking account. Now, if you guys haven't heard about Bluevine, they're actually an online business bank where they're offering business checking accounts to small entrepreneurs like us. And the benefits are pretty good. So we're going to be running through the benefits of having a business checking account with Bluevine, then we'll get into the cons. First, there is no monthly maintenance fees or minimum balance requirement. Like I said before, having a business bank account that charges no monthly maintenance fees or has no minimum balance requirements is great because most banks actually have a monthly maintenance fee or a minimum balance requirement. Next, you'll earn 2% interest up to $100,000 in your business bank account balance. And the last benefit I do want to mention is even though Bluevine is an online business bank account, you will be able to deposit cash. And how Bluevine is able to do this is by the Green Dot network system. And this allows you to deposit $2,000 in cash each day. Now, who do I think this Bluevine business checking account is for? I would say, honestly, if you're looking for an online bank, but still want to have the feature to deposit cash, this is actually the perfect bank for you. And also, this is a great alternative for anybody that was interested in the American Express business checking account, but they're not able to get a business checking account with them. Either that's because American Express is not accepting any customers or they have you on a waiting list. I think Bluevine is a better alternative to the American Express business checking account. And these are my top 3 best business bank accounts on the market today. Guys, you really can't go wrong with any of these business checking accounts. I have business checking accounts with all of these banks. And yeah, guys, hopefully this was informative and hopefully you guys can figure out what business bank account is the right one for you. Like I said before, you really can't go wrong. And yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys smash that like button. If you guys have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'm always in there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Subscribe. Later.